What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel Blitz Knowledge. Today we will know about the online scams during COVID 19. Some of the hackers are hacking the bank accounts of somebody who are donating to some countries within their limit. So, Google has kept some advices by helping you avoid COVID-19 online scams. If you want to read total PDF page, I kept down the link in the description. Go and touch the link. You can read all the page. Now we will know about some common types of scams. The first type is stealing your personal data. Scammers who ask for too much information, such as your address, bank account details, or even PIN number, to fix your insurance policy or conduct fake contact tracing. So, don't give your personal data to anybody who asks for it. Second situation, fake offers of goods and services, massive discount on masks or subscription to online entertainment services from unknown third party apps. If you have any fake offers of goods and services, don't click on the links. If you click on the links, your phone will be distracted. Third type of scam, impersonation of authorities. Impersonation of government organization like mygovernment.in or MOHFW offering COVID 19 information. You should go only to the official website to know about COVID 19 information. If you go into the fake websites, they will steal your personal data in your mobile. Number 4. Fraudulent medical offers. Offers of cures, test kits, hand sanitizer, or face mask that never arrive. If you have any offers on cures, test kits, hand sanitizer, or face mask, don't go on it. Go to the official website and check it is official or not. Don't click with your knowledge. Number 4. Fake request for charitable donations. Donations to support COVID 19 relief from non profits, hospitals, or other organizations should be carefully checked because if you donate to some of the bank accounts, they will steal your total money. So, make sure that you are donating to the non profit hospital or other organizations. So, now we will learn about the tips to avoid common scams. So, you are seeing this message on your screen right now. Know how scammers may reach you through email, text messages, automated calls, and malicious websites. If you are, if you got a Gmail with some of error name, don't click through it. Delete it immediately. Check trusted sources directly for the latest updates on COVID 19. Don't go to any other websites. Please go to the trusted sources like WHO, means World Health Organization, etc. Never hand out personal or financial details unless you are sure who you are talking to. Pass and evaluate. So, whenever you are giving your personal details, check that they are officials or not. Double check links and email addresses before clicking. So it is the main scams because you need to check the link or email address so many times so that then you are click to it. Paste portions of suspect images into search engines to see if they have been reported. So see that they are reported or not. If they are reported, don't donate to that link. So check twice. Add an extra layer of security to your accounts with two-step verification or two-factor authentication. So it is the best feature that Google provides to our Gmail accounts so that you can add your two-step verification. I will tell about this two-step verification in next video, so stay tuned. Next, donate directly to the non-profits website instead of clicking a link sent to you. Don't be suffocated with the link sent to you. Please go to the official website and then donate to this website. If you see something suspicious, report it to some of the websites I kept below in the description. If you see something suspicious, then go into the description and click the websites so that you can access to that websites and report that to the Google so that the malware will be removed for permanently. So that's it, friends. So the link of the page in the description if you want to go and see, that is in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, comment and like. This is your Blitz signing off. Bye for now.